Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Call of Duty mobile games right on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that you've downloaded the Call of Duty mobile game right on your iPhone. And once you are done, launch it open by tapping on it from the app drawer. Wait until your game loads and downloads necessary resources. Accept the terms of use and privacy policy by tapping accept in the pop-up. Now, you'll end up in this page from where you can easily sign into your game. You can log in as a guest by tapping the guest option and play the game without creating an account. You can also use your Apple account or your Facebook account to log in and quickly access your game. In today's video, let me tap on the Call of Duty button. Tap on the login button if you already have an account. If you don't, tap on the register button and follow through the registration process. In the login area, type in your email address and password associated with Call of Duty account. Now, enter your password on the next field. Tap on I'm not a robot and click on login now. Soon after you do that, you have successfully logged into your Call of Duty mobile game. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.